Is it just me, or is Bitcoin extremely grumpy this morning? Let's take a look at the markets and see if we can figure out what's going on. When I woke up and I looked at CoinMarketCap this morning, it was just horrible. Let's have a look. 158,000 Rand per Bitcoin on Altcoin Trader. Now this is significantly down from just a couple of days ago when we were trading at about 170 per coin. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap to see if this can paint a better picture. Bitcoin down below the $10,000 mark to $9,400. That's about a 7.5% drop overnight. I mean, Binance Coin, we're looking at $22 per coin, despite the fact that they had a significant announcement that would allow you to loan out your Binance Coin on the platform and earn up to 15% per annum for doing so. Now, 15% per annum is very realistic, unlike the Ponzi schemes that all seem to promise you 15% per week or per month. Despite that, the coin's still down. All of the coins, Ethereum at $168, Ripple down to 25%. It is a bloodbath. The markets are not looking good this morning. I want to just quickly flip over to the Fear and Greed Index. I think if there was a reading of terrified, we would probably see that. And yet it's only at 20. Now we've seen it a much lower. It's interesting to note if these tools are actually accurate and what they reflect. So we'll just keep an eye on that. As far as TradingView goes, they are recommending that you sell your Bitcoins. Now in the previous weeks and previous videos, I've said that I don't always agree with the sell, but it appears that they are in fact correct, because when they're indicating a sell, it shows that they are thinking that the markets and the coins are about to drop further in price, and that's why you should sell. So also, once again, interesting. Let's keep an eye on that to see if in fact these indicators are correct. Now let's get into today's story. It's a fascinating story, and I think it plays a big role on why we are seeing what we are possibly seeing in the markets. Craig Wright. A lot of people know Craig Wright as Fake Toshi. Now I'm going to bring you guys up to speed on the story just so that you can get a bit of background. A little while ago, Craig Wright came out saying that he is Satoshi Nakamoto, and he called a press release, and he was going to go on TV and explain to everyone that he was Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, in my mind, it's very easy to prove that you are Satoshi Nakamoto. You simply show that you have access to Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet. So if you have the private keys, you could move 1 or 2 coins, showing that you have access and control over the wallet, showing that you are in fact Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, everyone that has come out and claimed to be Satoshi, including Craig Wright, have all come up with clever tricks and clever reasons why they are Satoshi, but no one has successfully ever moved the coin out of the wallet, which in my mind is just simply a way that you can prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that you are in fact Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoins. So anyway, Craig Wright came out on TV, and people started to call him a fraud. They started to look at him as a laughingstock. He continued to claim that he is in fact Satoshi Nakamoto, and he would not move a coin. Even to the point that when people called him out on this, he started suing them left, right, and center. But Dave Kleinman was said to be in the initial group with Satoshi Nakamoto. Now, Dave Kleinman passed away, and his estate then decided that if Craig Wright is in fact Satoshi Nakamoto, they are entitled to half of the Bitcoins in the Satoshi Nakamoto wallet. So the Kleinman estate put in a case to sue Craig Wright for half of the coins. As crazy as this might sound, they actually won the case. A couple of days ago, we got the news that the Kleinman estate, Ira Kleinman, the brother of Dave Kleinman, won the case, and Craig Wright now has to pay the estate 500,000 Bitcoins, 500,000 Bitcoins. And this has a value of $5 billion. Okay, so why is this important, and why does this have a potential effect on the Bitcoin price and a potential devastating effect? Okay, first thing, if it's an estate and the estate wins the case, they have to pay estate taxes. Now, estate taxes can be up to 40% of the claim, which means that it would be 200,000 Bitcoins, which is the equivalent of $2 billion. If $2 billion worth of Bitcoin was dumped on the market, the prices would, the result would be devastating, and we can expect to see a devastating effect on the Bitcoin price. Not only the Bitcoin price, but all the cryptocurrencies would plummet. So, do we need to get worried? Not yet. Because although the Kleinman estate has won the case and Craig Wright is due to pay over those Bitcoins, a lot of people, including myself, do not believe that Craig Wright has the keys to these coins, which means that he will not be able to pay the estate the 500,000 Bitcoins. So if he's not able to pay it, obviously they will not be able to pay the estate tax, which means that they will not have to sell half of those Bitcoins or 200,000 Bitcoins to be able to pay the estate tax. So two things to consider here. First of all, is this the last time we will see Bitcoin under 10,000 US dollars? The last time to buy Bitcoins on special? Or if Craig Wright is in fact Satoshi and he has the keys and he pays the Kleinman estate and they sell 200,000 Bitcoins or $2 billion worth of Bitcoins, dump that on the market, do we need to strap in to see the price plummet? I cannot stress the importance of this. If 200,000 Bitcoins are dumped on the marketplace, we need to strap in. This is going to be that roller coaster ride when your stomach gets left behind. It is serious. But however, I think it's also a simple case. Many people in this industry and in this space are closely watching that Bitcoin address, the Satoshi Nakamoto wallet, including myself. And if we see coins move, we know that we need to strap in for the roller coaster ride. That's it from me, guys. If you enjoy my channel, please subscribe. I'd very much appreciate that.